Students will take part in a range of interactive, interdisciplinary modules where they'll engage in learning-based tasks, so learn about the theory of exercise physiology, and also learn through experiential learning to apply that in laboratory-based settings. So we have a lot of practical sessions.
It's a taught masters rather than a research masters, which means that you are working one-on-one with lecturers in a small group, which is quite nice. And obviously, being Newcastle University, the calibre of the researcher is incredibly high.
Students will have the opportunity to work with a wide range of partners, including professional football, rugby and basketball teams in Newcastle, including Newcastle United Football Club. We'll also have the opportunity to work with clinician scientists at Newcastle as well.
So right behind me we've got the Dame Margaret Barber building. That's where a majority of our lectures are done. And then just kitty corner to it is the Sports Fitness Center, which is also where our physio labs and biomechanics labs are. So they're right next to each other. A lot of time when we're bouncing back and forth from lecture to lab, this is our little corner and this is where we'll be doing all our studying.
Newcastle recently invested $32 million in our state-of-the-art sports science facilities.
So right now we're inside the biomechanics lab. As you can see, we've got a lot of strength and conditioning equipment behind us, and we've also got the Biodex machine. This was a large part, again, of wanting to come here. Very cool piece of equipment.
This is our physio lab. So over here we've got some echo equipment set up, and then over here we have EKG, which is great. That's all just heart cardiovascular monitoring. Big treadmill in the back, along with some hot and cold baths, which we can do to do different temperature testing. Our environmental chamber is right over here where we can control the climate, essentially whether it's heat, cold, hypoxic environments to simulate like altitude and stuff like that.
Real diversity of career opportunities for someone who completes the MSc in exercise physiology. Some students go on to work in sports science teams within professional sports clubs. Other students take a more clinical academic approach. So we have students going on to the really competitive science training programme that's run through the NHS that aims to develop their careers into a clinical scientist.
People who have got qualified backgrounds. In the case of Newcastle University, you have got world-leading researchers, and when you are reading the textbooks, they have often written many of the chapters in those textbooks. You look at facilities. Have they got the resources available to teach me those things in the way I want to learn them? Yes, they do. And with Newcastle, you're going to have quite a hard time to find something that not only Newcastle can't provide, but doesn't excel at.